Okay, last time. This is drugs. This is your brain on drugs. Any questions? This is your brain on drugs. Any questions?
Yo, Xandra, thanks for taking my question. I'm just a fan, sometimes a reporter with WrestlingObserver.com, and I wanted to ask you about drugs in wrestling. So here's the question. First of all, I'm getting the drugs out of wrestling, and first I'm starting with me. That's why I'm getting rid of these olanzapines. Thank you, Nova Farm, and chucking them in the toilet because I don't need those anymore. I am drug-free. But what about alcohol, you might be asking? Is there booze in wrestling? I don't know. I better suck one of these alcohol pops and check it out. Now, Xandra, you might think I'm some crazy drunk fan, but actually it's the best gimmick going today. Why? Because it's Van Dyke's Wild Blueberry Juice non-alcoholic. But when I carry that on the street, Xandra, people think I'm drunk as a horn, and it works. I don't drink. I am a non-drinker. And the one thing I wanted to say is, I still try these little things out. These little puppies. And a lot of people want to call them drugs, but that's the marijuana and pro-legalization movement introducing propaganda to push legitimate businesses off the map. I ain't about that. I'm about legitimate business, and you are too, and that's why you call yourself a wrestler. But just let me remind you, Xandra, that there are divas in this business, and they are the best, just like you.